Are you wondering why YouTube TV keeps freezing while you're trying to watch your favorite shows? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what might be causing this issue. If you're tired of interruptions, you'll want to hear this. Freezing on YouTube TV is often caused by slow or unstable internet connections. Streaming live TV requires a minimum speed of 13 megabits per second for HD content, and anything less can lead to buffering. Another common reason is device performance. Older or overloaded devices may struggle to process high-quality streams. Network congestion, such as multiple devices using bandwidth at the same time, can also cause freezing. To fix this, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or reducing the video quality in settings. Closing background apps and ensuring your app or device software is updated can also help. If the issue persists, check YouTube TV's service status for outages. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV keeps freezing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.